Iranian geometry in Sarandib. Amidst the dense and interwoven trees, within the region encompassed by water, woodland, and mountains, 3,000 kilometers outside of the borders of Iran. Here in Sri Lanka, the completely Iranian and complex structure stands out. After a 26-year-long conflict, peace and stability finally returned to Sri Lanka in 2009, allowing the residents of this island nation to experience a sense of security. With a population of 20 million, the country is now focusing on reconstruction, with electricity production being a top priority for both citizens and industries. Recognizing the expertise of Iranian contractors, Sri Lankan authorities have reached out to Iranian engineers to undertake a challenging project in the Uma Oya region, located 200 kilometers away from the capital city of Colombo.
The Uma Oya Project stands as Iran's most significant engineering export endeavor. This project surpasses all other engineering services projects undertaken by Iran in foreign countries in terms of scale. Additionally, it is recognized for its substantial size and intricate nature.
The multi-purpose project and the 100-megawatt Uma Oya power plant represents a collection of significant undertakings. Prior to this engineering feat, the substantial amount of water from the rivers and streams in the Uma Oya area is gathered in two roller compacted concrete dams, Puhulpola and Dairaba. These dams are linked by a 4-kilometer tunnel.
The Uma Oya project consists of two dams located upstream, specifically Puhulpola and Dairaba, that gather water and transport it downstream via tunnels to produce electricity. This project consists of two concrete roller dams and a tunnel spanning 4 kilometers, which facilitates the transfer of water from the upper dam, Puhulpola, to the lower dam, Dairaba. Additionally, there is a separate 15-kilometer tunnel that transports water from the lower dam to the downstream area of the project.
The 15-kilometer tunnel is utilized to collect and convey water from the Dairaba Dam to the lower part of the project, where it is linked to a 618-meter shaft. An underground power plant is situated in this area to produce electricity. The 618-meter shaft, situated within the power generation structure at a depth of 750 meters, showcases the intricate and distinctive nature of this design. The process of designing, constructing, and installing it spanned over a period exceeding 5 years.
At the conclusion of the 15-kilometer tunnel, there exists a vertical tunnel with a height measuring 618 meters, known as a shaft in engineering parlance. As the termination of this vertical shaft lies a cavern referred to as the underground power plant. This cavern, situated at a depth of 750 meters, houses various electricity production apparatus, including transformers and generators.
The electricity that has been generated needs to be distributed across the entire nation.
The water was moved from an elevation of 1,000 meters above sea level to an elevation of 150 meters above sea level. In addition to this, electricity was generated as a result. The distribution of electricity to the main substation of the Ova province, where the project is situated, was also included in our plans. Both the power substation and the transmission line were key components of our project. The transmission line spans a distance of 23 kilometers and is supported by 69 power towers.
Iranian engineers discussed the challenges faced during the 16-year completion of the Uma Oya multi-purpose project, highlighting the satisfaction of finally finishing the endeavor.
پروژه Uma Oya پروژه خیلی بزرگ و وسیع است که در زمان ساخت و ساز
The construction of the Uma Oya project posed numerous challenges and obstacles, but through the collective efforts of our colleagues and relevant officials, we were able to overcome them. As a result, we are now ready to inaugurate this immense undertaking.
The inauguration of the Uma Oya Dam has resulted in killing two birds with one stone. This proves that impossible is possible, even under sanctions.
A set of machinery was acquired from Iranian companies for the Uma Oya project. Our contract with these companies exceeds $250 million, and the profits from this investment have undeniably been repatriated to Iran. The direct expenditure on procuring equipment from Iranian companies surpasses $50 million.
A successful test for Iranian contractors with the aim of developing overseas activities, especially in the Indian subcontinent.
پروژه اوما اویا صرفاً یک پروژه در واقع واحد تلقی نمیشه در
The Uma Oya project should not be viewed in isolation, as the machinery acquired by the company has been transferred to Sri Lanka for use in their various projects. The positive track record of collaboration between this company and Sri Lankan partners has led us to highlight this company in our discussions as a reliable partner for future projects.
The inhabitants of Sarandib hold the Uma Oya Dam in high regard as a lasting achievement of Iranian engineers on their territory, and they greatly admire the expertise of its builders.
Funded by originally Islamic
Uma Oya project has become a symbol of Iran in Sri Lanka, and we are happy for the completion of this multi-purpose project.
The Uma Oya hydropower plant, boasting a capacity of 100 megawatts, is poised to commence operations and provide electricity to 1,000 villages across the nation, following the successful completion of all dam-related tests. This initiative is set to be inaugurated in the presence of the Iranian president. Iran adds yet another remarkable achievement to its illustrious record.
Iran possesses a wealth of resources and boasts an advanced technological landscape. It is with great pleasure that we extend our warm welcome to the esteemed President of Iran.
Republic of Iran.
The presence of the Iranian President in Sri Lanka for the inauguration of the project holds immense significance.
We are pleased and proud that Iranian engineers and Farad Engineering Group have constructed this project, which will be inaugurated by our dear President.